that each Lee County commissioner held a private meeting separately with the developer or lobbyist, which could violate the state's sunshine law. Gulf Shore business editor David Dorsey investigates what went down behind closed doors.
A Lee County commissioner, a housing developer, and/or a lobbyist walk into a room. No, this is not a joke. Records show that over the course of 2 days in November, each county commissioner met with the same housing developer and/or the same lobbyist here in the old Lee County courthouse. Had just one of those meetings happened, everything would have been okay. But legal experts tell me that holding a series of private one-on-one meetings over the same topic could make for a sunshine law violation.
Item number 6 passes unanimously, 5-0.
With no public debate or discussion, the Lee County Commissioners voted 5-0 on January 17th to okay a land use plan amendment to bring a sewer connection to part of Alva. Less than 2 months before that vote, records show the commissioners each appear to have discussed something about the issue in private with Pat Neal, the developer, and/or Terry Miller, the lobbyist. Miller doubles as a political operative who managed the election campaigns of 4 of the 5 commissioners. Michael Barfield, a paralegal, has extensive experience in sunshine law cases. He cited a judge's decision from 1979 that still stands.
A Florida court said that this kind of conduct violates the sunshine law. Seriatim rapid-fire meetings on one exclusive topic between the same individuals contravenes Florida's government and transparency laws.
I asked the commissioners for my own series of meetings not to decide public policy, but to find out what happened behind closed doors. Mike Greenwell declined to comment. Kevin Urain thought about it for a second, then said no. Brian Heyman asked if we could get the questions in writing first. I told him no. He told me no, later adding he doesn't want people to believe he made up his mind before hearing the evidence if and when this goes to a zoning hearing. Ray Sandelli and Cecil Pendergrass also told me no comment.
You're likely to never find out the truth of what happened in those meetings unless there is litigation and people's witnesses' depositions are taken under oath. Even then, sometimes memories fade. But the first step is a good one, getting the records about how this meeting happened, who set it up, when did that get scheduled, and what was the topic? Were any documents transmitted either by hand or electronically?
Pat Neal told me in an email his meetings were legal, but he has yet to agree to an interview. Terry Miller told me he had to defer to Neal on what happened during the meetings. The assistant county attorney also met with Neal and Miller. Michael Jacob declined to comment. Gulf Shore Business has requested those records. I'll let you know when we receive them or if we don't. The sunshine law violation comes with a $500 fine. Intentional violations are rare, but when they happen, they can result in up to 6 months in prison and removal from office. I'm David Dorsey with Gulf Shore Business.
David, thanks. Now, this afternoon, Lee County sent us some of the records that we requested. Those show that 4 of the commissioners met with the developer and/or lobbyist in back-to-back fashion.